Netanyahu wanted. Yes, that is the headline of today's newspaper. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, November the 22nd, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, and Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. Yes, I've told you the headline for today's newspaper. This man wanted, Netanyahu, wanted by the ICC, the International Criminal Court. He's a criminal, this man, yes. Criminal Netanyahu. Alright. Let me start with the puzzle. This one will be number 9 6 3 6 9 6 3 6. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the 3 stars has always 25. This one has 27. 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Okay, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this column. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for 5 is should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. From the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here came in 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. Then how about I need a 9 here, need a 2 there, need a 4 here. In this row, the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle row is number 4. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this row should be there. 2 numbers left now in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. 9, 9, okay. Then, let me see. Need the 6 there. How about 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Come on. 3, 3, 8, need an 8 here or there. Need 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the field column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then let me see. Need 8 here. No 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. Then let me see. 7, 1, and 9. No, I want 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8. 2 numbers left now in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So yeah, let me think. 2 and 4, okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. How about, come on, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, only 3 places left. 1 and 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the row below, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then let me see. 9. How about 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay, we have a 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes and there, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes in there. One in this row, one in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 and 7, we have 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the first 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Alright, 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 6. Then let me see. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so on the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. Another 3, another 2, another 1 should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with all the 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.